Let's walk through the process of measuring for new vinyl exterior window shutters. Measuring requires minimal time and basic equipment. Vinyl shutters are constructed from 1/8 inch thick polypropylene, molded into components, then heat welded and stapled together. The resulting shutters are hollow on the backside and styled on the front with wood grain texture to enhance visual interest and provide relief to an otherwise flat surface. Vinyl exterior shutters gain great rigidity when secured permanently to the building with either screws or spikes. 3 of the 4 popular vinyl shutter styles will use these measuring instructions. Board and batten shutters will use a slightly different measuring technique featured in another video. Spikes are used to install vinyl shutters to most surfaces such as stucco, masonry, hardboard, or vinyl siding. They tap through the face of the shutter into a pre-drilled hole in the home's siding. Screws work best to adhere to wood exteriors. If used with hard surfaces, a wall anchor is required. The screw head is painted to match the shutter color. The selected device will secure each shutter in 6 locations at the center of the side stiles. Inspect the mounting surface to ensure stability. Measure the window width from the far left of the window trim to the same point on the opposite side. Divide that measurement by 2 for the approximate shutter width. Ideally, each shutter should measure half of the window width to replicate the appearance of working functional shutters that can swing over the window. Size limitations might not allow the shutters to equal exactly half of the window width, so it may be necessary to order a size slightly narrower than ideal. Do not use shutters greater than half of the window width. Occasionally, an obstacle can prevent the shutters from being used on both sides of the window. It is acceptable to use a full-width shutter installed on just one side. Wide windows require appropriately sized shutters, which in concept should also appear to be functional. Some windows are simply too wide for shutters to conform to standard guidelines and cannot accommodate full-width shutters. If concessions need to be made, don't arbitrarily specify a width, but attempt to realistically stay within the easily divisible portions of the window. Vinyl shutters come in 15 pre-established widths. Standard single-wide shutters can be used on most windows. Larger windows may necessitate double-wide shutters, which incorporate a vertical substyle in the center. Shutter height can either be measured from top to bottom of the opening or from top to bottom of the trim. Both methods are widely employed. Historically, shutter heights have aligned with the window opening. This approach can cause the shutters to appear short in comparison. In the modern era, shutters installed purely for aesthetics are more frequently made to the same height as the window casing to give more symmetry to the presentation. Select the technique that best reflects the character of your windows and measure accordingly. Vinyl exterior shutters are made in quarter-inch height increments. This is a great time to select the shutter finish color, matching to the trim paint or the front door. Choose from a wide array of molded-through standard colors. Polystyrene paintable shutters are available to finish after receipt. Record dimensions, color, and shutter configurations, Then return to ShutterLand.com to place your order. Once your shutters are delivered, check out our installation video to get your shutters up quickly and efficiently. ShutterLand is committed to helping you select the best exterior shutters for your windows. Visit us at ShutterLand.com to view our full range of styles and materials, along with detailed specifications, pricing, and ordering. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for great tips and helpful information about exterior shutters.